In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite collaborators into your Bitbucket repository. Whether you're working solo or leading a team, knowing how to manage user access is essential for a seamless collaborative process. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Bitbucket dashboard. This is your home base for all things Bitbucket, where you can manage your repositories and track your projects. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice a gear icon up there, which is your gateway to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it, as this will take you one step closer to inviting your collaborator. Now that you're in the settings menu, the next step is to find User Management. This is the section where all user-related actions take place. Click on it, and it should automatically redirect you to another tab specifically designed for handling user management tasks. This tab is the control center for managing who has access to your repository. Once you're in the Users tab, look for the option to Invite Users. This feature allows you to extend an invitation to colleagues, team members, or collaborators you want to work with on your projects. Click on Invite Users, and you'll be prompted to provide some details about the person you want to add to your team. At this point, you'll need to have the email address of the person you're inviting handy. Carefully type in the email address of your prospective collaborator. Take your time to ensure that you've entered it correctly, as a mistake here could delay the process or result in the wrong person receiving an invitation. Once you've entered the email address, you're almost done. Simply click on Send Invite to finalize this process. Bitbucket will take it from here, sending an invitation directly to the email address you specified. The recipient just needs to accept the invitation on their end to gain access to your repository. And there you have it. You've successfully invited a user to join your Bitbucket workspace. Remember, using Bitbucket's collaborative tools effectively can make a world of difference in your project's workflow. So take full advantage of them. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.